Have you ever gazed up at the clouds and thought to yourself, hey, that cloud reminds me of a smiley face? Maybe you've seen a tree that you could swear was a lady dancing. I do this with maps. Every now and again, I find a place on the map that reminds me of something else. The scientific term for this is Pareidolia. This is where people make familiar pictures out of the randomness around us. In this video, I will show you 10 common maps and what they remind me of. How many maps might you see the same image as me? Let's find out. Number 1 is easy. The Italian peninsula reminds me of a boot kicking a pizza. Number 2, the state of Michigan is another easy one. I see a snow glove reaching for Canada. Number 3, I swear New Jersey looks like the profile of a man with a beard. Number 4, whenever I see a map of San Diego, I see a chicken's head. Number 5, in the Pacific Ocean is the island of New Guinea. It always reminds me of a pig running. Number 6, the Great Salt Lake in Utah looks just like a polar bear. Number 7, the Indian subcontinent reminds me of a silverback gorilla. Number 8, for this next one we have to rotate this map of South America. Do you see an alligator head? Number 9, every time I see a map of the world, the Atlantic Ocean jumps out at me looking like a guy with a big hat. Number 10, if you ever look up a map of the Earth's tectonic plates, I swear the Pacific Plate is an angel. So, do you ever experience pareidolia with maps or anything else for that matter? Leave a comment down below sharing how you experience this funny human characteristic. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos.